Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the exact Lenovo model and serial, because driver packages differ by model. This prevents wrong installs. Once identified, make a quick backup and create a Windows restore point so you can roll back if needed. Plug the laptop into power and use a stable internet connection, then close resource-heavy apps. Now open Lenovo Vantage or the Lenovo support site to start detecting updates. This first step triggers a hardware scan and collects the drivers you actually need. Next, use Lenovo Vantage or the support site and select the exact operating system because mismatches cause failures. Download drivers in order: chipset, graphics, audio, network, and BIOS if listed. This ensures dependencies install correctly. Run each installer as an administrator and follow on-screen prompts. Some packages unpack then require a separate setup. Make sure to reboot after major installs. Many drivers only finalize during restart. If Vantage offers a bulk install, you may use it to simplify the workflow. Finally, verify success in Device Manager by checking for warning icons and confirming updated driver version numbers, because that confirms proper installation. Once done, run Windows Update and reboot again to apply any related patches. If a device misbehaves, roll back the driver from Device Manager or restore your system using the point you created. This is safer than forcing a poorly matched driver. And if firmware or BIOS updates fail, pause and contact Lenovo support before retrying to avoid bricking the laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.